In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Airbnb Calendar 2026, step by step. First, open Airbnb and head to your profile in the top right corner. Switch to hosting so you're viewing your host tools, then open Calendar. This is your control center for availability and pricing. You'll see a monthly view where you can click any date to make changes. If you manage more than one listing, make sure you're on the correct property before you begin. To block or unblock dates, select the date or drag across a range. Choose block to prevent bookings, then save to confirm. This is perfect when you've scheduled maintenance, plan to use the place personally, or the property is temporarily unavailable. To make those dates bookable again, click the block day, choose unblock, and save. Always look for the saved confirmation so your changes stick. Next, let's adjust pricing per date. Click a specific day, edit the nightly rate, and save. This is great for tailoring prices to demand. Increase prices for weekends, holidays, or peak seasons. Lower them during slower months to attract more guests, or use last-minute discounts to fill gaps. If you use automated pricing, remember that a manual price on a date will usually override it for that day. Now set your availability rules in availability settings. Here you can fine-tune how and when guests can book. Set minimum and maximum nights to match your stay strategy. Choose advance notice, like requiring bookings at least one day ahead to protect your schedule. Add preparation time between guests so your cleaner has a buffer. You can also restrict check-in and check-out days, which helps align turnovers and longer bookings. If you list on other platforms like Booking.com or Vrbo, syncing calendars is essential to prevent double bookings. From Calendar, open availability settings, find Calendar Sync, and import or export your iCal links. Copy Airbnb's export link to paste into the other platform and import their link back into Airbnb. Give it a moment to update. iCal feeds may not refresh instantly. After syncing, spot check a blocked date to be sure it appears everywhere. For hosts managing multiple properties, switch to the multi-calendar view. This puts all listings on one screen so you can scan availability, adjust pricing, and block dates much faster. It's especially helpful during peak seasons when you're making frequent updates. Before you wrap up, review your month for any unsaved changes and verify the settings match your cleaning and messaging routines. Keeping your calendar accurate not only avoids headaches, it also helps guests book with confidence. That's how you manage your Airbnb calendar like a pro.